Welcome to my channel Sara Art and Design. Subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for the further videos notification.
Hey guys, in this video I will show you how we can make a beautiful bottom design. For the design I have to stitch already the side part, and now I am taking 5 inch from the bottom after leaving 2 inch margin. And join these points and make a straight line. After joining this line I have to cut it out. For the design we need strips. I have marked the 2 inch strip for the strip purpose and join these lines. Now I will cut it out. You have to cut the strips. How many strips you are required for this? I am taking 6 to 7 strips. Fold it out and make a stitch on it. I am leaving the 1/4 inch for the stitching and make a stitch. I'm making a long strip. You can take small one also. Its design looks very beautiful and elegant. We have to make the checks over here so that cut the extra threads and fold the strip to the right side. I'm using a stick over here. You can use stick, needle, whatever according to your convenience. So we have to make the strips like this, and this strip width is only 1/2 inch over here. You can extend your width according to your choice, or you can decreases its width also. So I'm taking this for the design. This is the leftover fabric, so I'm placing on a paper and marking till bottom. Join these both points. And on the upper part I am leaving 1/2 inch over here, so I'm just giving 1.5 inch margin on each and every box. You can increase or decrease the margin according to your choice. It's totally up to you. So this is the last one according to your design. So I'm joining these both points. Join the total points which we have made it over here. Straight these lines. You can extend the design part according to your choice. I am making the checks over here, so these checks looks very beautiful and it gives a very beautiful look to your pant and palazzo also. You can make this design on your sleeves as well. So on the width wise I am also taking 1.5 inch. So I am extended the one box over here. Now straight these lines also. Extend these lines till the end. So this is the pattern we have going to ready it On a side strip we required lengthwise is 4 strips, and in the lengthwise we are required 10 strips over here. Now it's a design time, so I'm taking a strip and joining on the point which is where we have required over here. So it's a main on the first line. I'm taking the center of the line, and on the end of the bottom I have cut it out and place the strip over here and stitch all around. We have to done it one by one, and now our length pass is completed and I'm doing on a width part. I'm leaving bottoms part and taking the third strip once, joining the third one. Firstly I have joined the third one, cut the extra, and do the same. You have to make the checks over here. Now taking the another strip and doing the second one. We have to complete it according to this. So now I'm joining the third one. So after joining all these strips, I'm folding the bottom part of pant. Give a stitch on the bottom first, fold your bottom and then join the strips portion, so it's a proportion, and cut the extra ones. So join the bottom on the half inch we have already leave over here.
जितना हमारा ये वाला पोर्शन है, इस पोर्शन के ऊपर ये वाला हिस्सा आएगा हमारा, ये वाला.
Take the bottom's edge and place on the paper.
यहाँ से हमें लेना है इसको और इसके ऊपर ऊपर हमें,
and it's all around. Half inch margin we have to cover over here. Make a side stitch first. Settle on the paper in opposite way and then give a stitch over here. So after attaching the bottoms part, I'm taking a 1.5 inch strip over here and attach on the wrong side of the strips. And now after giving the stitch, I'm folding it to the front side of the trouser, and it will give a better finish to over here. Its margin would be same as 1/2 inch. Now after finishing this, I'm giving a last stitch to the side. Measurement the bottom first, and according to your bottom, make a stitch over here till the end and sew the crotch area. Now we have to remove our paper. So it's another side. Lock the stitch over here. So guys, this is the final look of my bottom. It's look very beautiful and very pretty. So if you guys like my video, then please give me a big thumbs up, and you have any queries you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching my videos.